Hey everyone, Jaystifer with Toy Soldier by Lego. Set number 5004420 contains 34 pieces. Recommended building ages are 6 and up. Looks like the Toy Soldier is packed inside of a poly bag. Let's open this up. Looks like we get a nice nylon bag with Lego on the side. Let's see if I can open this up. Very easy to open. The parts are packaged in individual bags. One instruction manual and one nice golden string. Nice selection of parts. Let's take a closer look at the Toy Soldier. This is one nice looking Toy Soldier. It is brick built. We have golden buttons on the front. His eyes are printed. Nice top hat. It is even equipped to attach the string. I decided not to add the string. I cannot tie knots. They always come undone. He's holding a rifle. On the back we have a flat tile that says 2016. That is printed. His arms do move up and down. And you can rotate the holder plate to rotate the hands. It's a nice Toy Soldier. It would be a perfect addition for any holiday tree. Thank you for watching.